Let us express these numbers in standard form. Solution. For part A, we have 6,020,000. Now, to express this in standard form, remember that your A has to be a number that ranges between 1 to 10. So we would have 6. Now we put a decimal point and read off the numbers that come, that is the non-zero numbers. The next non-zero number we have here is 2. So what we write is we write every other number till we get to that last non-zero number. So that will be 0, then 2. Now you agree with me that after 2, all the other numbers are zeros. So we don't need to write those. So we just write 6.02. And then we multiply this by a power of 10. Now to know the integer that we write at the point where we write the power here, we count the number of digits that come after 6. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is therefore 6.02 times 10 raised to the power of 6. So for the part B, we have 5,025,000. Now writing this in standard form means we'll have 5 points. Then we read off the other numbers till we get to the final non-zero number. And the final non-zero number here is 5. So we would have 0 to 5. And then we multiply this by a power of 10. And that will be the number of digits after 5. And this is also 6. Hence it is 5.025 times 10 raised to the power of 6. Thank you.